In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in Jira Service Management. Automation is a fantastic tool in Jira Service Management that can save you time, reduce human error, and streamline your workflows by using custom rules. So let's dive right in and explore how you can set up your automation rules effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to the project where you'd like to set up your automation. This is your starting point, as automation rules are tied to individual projects. Once you've logged into your Jira environment, locate the specific project name on the left-hand menu. Here you'll find three dots next to the project name. Click on these three dots and select Project Settings. This will take you to the Backstage configuration area for your project, where you can adjust various settings including automation. In the project settings, click on the Automation option. It's typically listed among other settings. Once you're on the automation page, you will notice a button in the top right corner labeled Create Rule. Go ahead and click this button to start crafting your automation rule. At this point, you need to select a trigger for your rule. A trigger is an event that kickstarts the automation process. For instance, you could choose a trigger such as Issue Created or Request Received, depending on what makes the most sense for your workflow. After choosing a trigger, make sure to carefully configure the trigger settings to best suit your requirements and then hit Next to proceed. If you want to fine-tune when your rule should apply, adding conditions is a great way to do so. These conditions specify more granular circumstances under which the action should occur. To add a condition, click Add Condition and select from the available components. It's optional, but conditions can be powerful in making your automation precise and relevant. Following conditions, you'll move on to actions. This is where you define what your automation will do once the trigger and conditions are met. You might want to assign an issue to a particular team member, add a comment to a request, or transition an issue to another status. Select the action that aligns with your needs and proceed to configure the action settings appropriately. After configuring your actions, click Next. You're almost done. Now, click on Turn on Rule in the top right corner. But before finalizing, enter a name that clearly represents what the rule does. It's also essential to define who can edit this rule by selecting the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Once you've done that, click on Turn on Rule again to activate your newly created automation. And there you have it. You've successfully created an automation rule in Jira Service Management. By leveraging automation, you can enhance productivity, ensuring that your project management flows both smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.